Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off silence notifications while driving on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. From the home screen, swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In settings, go down and tap on safety and emergency. Then we go down and tap on silence notifications while driving. Next, in here at the top, tap on the silence notifications while driving toggle button to switch it on. Once you turn it on, it will be in blue color. If you switch it off, it will have a gray background color. And it said that this feature can limit interruptions like calls and text messages. Your device can automatically turn on Do Not Disturb when you are driving. Your device uses motion and Bluetooth connections to figure out when you are in a moving vehicle. And finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.